So my room is an absolute mess. There's still gifts for my birthday that I haven't unpacked. My flowers are dying. I need to put clothes away. I need to wash my sheets, everything. I just got back from vacation early this week and then I had to go back to work. So we're going to do a complete reset. Okay, clothes are put away, sheets are in the laundry, towels are in the laundry. We are looking better. Going to take care of these flowers. See if I can rescue a few of them. But I can finally see my floor over here. Clothes are all put away. I'm going to tackle the birthday wall next. I was able to save a little vase full that are still looking pretty decent. So I thought that would look good. These are still looking good. We gotta change our calendar. I also got a cute little book stamp for my birthday. So I think I'm gonna stamp my books a little later. I think that's gonna be so fun. So if you guys just watched my last video, I did a little birthday haul situation. So now I have to go back and pick all of this up and put it away so that we are continuing with this reset. Okay, we have made progress. Everything from the bags is right here, but I do want to organize my little book cart before I put my new books on there. So we will do that later, but we will vacuum and start actually cleaning instead of just picking up. Okay, so I cleaned up my little book cart. I put all of my TBR books that I need to read in my Kindle here, a little notebook. For now, I did put like my painting stuff here because I don't know where to put that yet. My book stamp, my wallet that I need to fill. But I think it turned out pretty good. All of my TBR books used to be under the flowers, so now I just put them all in one place. My room is officially all clean and organized. So now that we're all ready, had to take my mom's car to get serviced. Now I'm in my car because I've been needing a car wash desperately. We took my car to LA, so and it was a little dirty before then, so time to get a car wash. Got a clean car. Decided that I should reward myself by getting a coffee after washing my car. I think I'm gonna go pick up my Crumble cookie, like free birthday cookie, and maybe go to Ulta because I have a gift card for there too, and I've been wanting to try that Shiseido, I think that's how you say it, the eyelash curler, so I think I'm gonna get that. That definitely hit the spot. I got an iced caramel blondie, so it's just, I believe it's just a white mocha with caramel. Very good. Okay, so I got my Crumble cookie. I got the strawberry, I already forgot. I think the strawberry milkshake or the strawberry cake. Let's see if I could show you. And it looks like this. Wow. But that was really good. I'm only gonna take one bite and save the rest for home. and I'm just gonna drink the rest of my coffee and shop at Ulta, see what we find. I do have to say, I don't think that's my favorite crumble cookie. I think one of my favorite cookies is the Twix bar one. The Twix bar one, for sure. I was able to get the eyelash curler, the Okafor lip balm. I've never used this one, but people always rave about it and saying it's the best one. Ooh, I should have looked for one of those peptides. I really looked around the whole store. I didn't find anything else to get, so I was really only there for the eyelash curler. Ooh. It just feels so smooth. It feels really good, so I'm excited to add that to my like night and morning routine. But for the star of the show, the Shiseido eyelash curler, if I'm saying that right, is what I came for. So it comes with the eyelash curler and then a replacement. So I'm going to test it out. Everybody says this is like the best eyelash curler. It's $25. I don't know if that's like overpriced for an eyelash curler. Some of the Revlon ones were $23, so I'm not too sure how it compares to other ones. So this is my lashes before I curl them, and I'll show you guys after I curl them, even though I'm sweating my makeup off right now. I definitely noticed a difference. I think it did make a difference, and I'm excited to use this before I put on my mascara tomorrow, so reviews to come. Just finished stamping all of my books, and that was so satisfying. I love it. I love my little library. So Candace gave me a reading chair for my birthday, and I think we're gonna go with this one. So it's like neutral, natural color. It's light, but I sat in this one and it was very comfy. I think it's the same thing though. So we got the chair. It didn't fit in my car. Well, like half of it fit in my car. So we came back in my dad's truck, and now we're getting the other half. I thought it was gonna like fold, like in my head I thought it was gonna fold, but it doesn't fold. It's just like pieces stacked on top of each other. So we are here picking it up. Kiana's about to get it, and I think we're just gonna throw it in the back. We might stop at like at home, maybe get some pillows and some throws. But also I just realized that I'm probably going to have to rearrange my whole room to add this chair in there. So we will see. Okay, I had to move my books. I like shift them a little bit over, like that much, and I was able to get it to fit, and it like swivels or like rotates, I guess you could say. So I wanted to make sure I had enough room for it to like do that. So this is so exciting. Also, I think I'm gonna get some like art or something on this wall just so it's not like bare, or maybe get a lamp. I don't know if I'm gonna keep this here yet or not. For sure I'm going to have to change that artwork. Might finally get rid of my lights. And yeah, the mirror's over there now. Now we're getting accessories, a blanket, a pillow, a circle pillow. Yay! Okay, so we were able to sit it up, so that's why it looks a little overcrowded. I don't think it's gonna look this overcrowded once it's laying down. But I have a lamp now. Never had a lamp in my life before. So I guess it's time to get rid of the lights.